Want to cuddle to go to bed? Want to cuddle? Want to cuddle? I'm going to go to bed. Oh. Say good night. Good night. I'm going to go to bed. Good night. Mwah. With my kiss. Thank you. Night, Sunny. Say hi. 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 Wrexy. Hi. What are you doing? Mwah. Oh. Oh. What are you doing? Hi. You're such a good boy. Can you say beautiful? What are you doing? Are you cold? Wrexy, are you cold? Hi, honey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Mwah. I know. Oh. What's that one you say when you go, ooh, ooh, good boy. Mwah. Thank you. I gave you a kiss. Mwah. Sunny kiss. Can you say Sunny? Say Sunny. 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 Hi. Hey, I know you can say Sunny. Say Sunny. Sunny. Hello. What are you doing? Want a kiss? It's cold. It's cold. Hi. It's cold. Mwah. What's that? What are you doing? I don't want to give you a kiss because you're a bit rough. Hello. Mwah. Good boy. You want to go to bed? I'm going to go to bed now. Say good night. Good night. Everybody, good night. Sunny. Okay. Oh. Good night. Good night, everybody. Good night.
Look at your eyes, Sunny.
Good night.
Ooh.
Good night. Good night, everybody.
What's wrong?
What's wrong, Daddy? Good night. Are you cold, Rex?
No.